Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a swap to share with you guys. I recently did a swap with the lovely Andrea Cumbrian Crafter. I will leave the link to her channel down below. Please go and check out. She's got a YouTube and an Instagram. Yeah, so we did a autumn swap and this is what she sent out to me. I love the way you've packaged it, everything. Andrea, thank you so much for swapping with me. So I'm excited to see what she sent. So this is my card. Love the sticker back. I'm trying to open it without damaging. That's it, the sticker. Oh wow, look at this cool pumpkin card. I love that. I love the way she's coloured that pumpkin at the back, the flower. It's got some stickers on there and it says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And then inside she's just, "Please enclose my loaded pocket. I hope you like it. Crafty hugs, Andrea." Really, that's really cute. I wonder if that's a die. You have to let me know, Andrea, if you've just drawn this or it's a die that you've used. It's really cute. So thank you for that. My card. And look at the way, I'm just going to move this box out of the way. She's packaged this really cute. Some stickers and this twine. She wrapped it up beautifully. So I think this is going to be the pocket letter. Wow. She's used this gorgeous full paper with hedgehogs and foxes. Really beautiful paper. So it says Handmade with Love by Andrea. Again, some more pumpkins. Really pretty. She's got this little paper clip, wooden paper clip there. She's got this pick here. So inside this front pocket we've got this napkin. Oh wow, she's put some like a mocha Costa coffee. Oh, thank you, Andrea, for sending that. And then she's put this lovely toadstool napkin. I've seen a lot of people like decoupage these onto projects, so maybe I'll give that a go. I've never tried that before. And then also in this front, I don't know, oh yeah, that does. It's a little pic that says "Hello Autumn" in there. And then some, oh, this beautiful gold pen. And then this beautiful leafed ribbon, like the wire ribbon. That's really pretty. I don't have anything like this in like autumn theme, so thank you for sending that to me, Andrea. It's really pretty. I have actually seen someone, and I do apologise, I can't remember their YouTube channel, but they make bookmarks out of the wired ribbon, so I might give that a go. So that's what the pocket inside looks like. I love the way she's put this together. I've not seen one this sort of style before. It's really cool. I love the paper clip. And then inside the back pocket, she's put lots of different goodies in there. That's really cool. She put this beautiful fall leaves. It's really pretty. I suppose you could cut these individually and put them on projects. It's really pretty. Loads of different colours as well. That's beautiful. Then some autumn stickers. They're really pretty as well. And then she's made this beautiful tag. How gorgeous is that? All these different leaves and that. It's really beautiful. And she's put this little charm. Just don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll focus. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get it to focus on that. It's a beautiful like pumpkin charm. Really pretty. And then she's made, did she make those? Or she sent those? I think these are stickers, but she's made this beautiful, like, I love the way she's done it. It's kind of like how you get the sequin mixes in shops and stuff to send out some goodies. That's a really cool idea, Andrea. I love that. A lovely way to like share some bits and bobs. So in here you've got some sequins and some like wooden pieces, little toadstools, lots of awesome goodies in there. Got some toadstool stickers in here. Oh, I wonder if I could take those out. Yeah. Oh, and I don't have to take it all apart. That's so cool. Yeah, some toadstool. These are really cute. I know Andrea loves toadstools. I did crochet her one recently. And then you've got these ones in here. I think these are stickers as well. Like different leaves. Oh no, you've got some squashes, more toadstools, more leaves. They're awesome. And then in the top one is some little, I don't want to take them out, they've got stuck up there, little wooden pumpkins, which are really cute. Thank you so much, Andrea. I love the way that you've packaged that. It's so different. So that was in that package, and then this package. Wow, she sent so much. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. That's so cool. So this wooden leaf. Oh wow. And this, these leaves. Oh, they are. They're like fabric leaves. Sent loads in here. I love these colours. I don't have any leaves like this. These are beautiful fabric leaves. I love that. Loads of different variety of colours and that. Thank you, Andrea, for sending those. I'm going to have to come up with some projects now on how to use these. She sent some beautiful washi tape. I wonder if I can find the end. You can see that. Like different leaves. There we go. Really pretty to put on some projects. And then the last thing she sent is this stamp set. Oh wow, Andrea, you didn't have to send this. This is beautiful. You've got these foxes, hedgehog, squirrel, badger. This is really pretty. Thank you so much. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to take it all in. Yeah, really pretty. Like to build like a scene on a card or project. Yeah, very pretty. Thank you so much, Andrea, for sending these to me. I really appreciate you doing a autumn swap with me. I love this tag. I love the way she's coloured this as well. I'm wondering if that's like paint or markers. Really pretty. Yeah, thank you again, Andrea, for swapping. I love everything you've sent and made. Really beautiful. Please, like I said, go and check out Andrea's channel, YouTube channel, and Instagram. I'll try and link the Instagram down below as well. But I think it's the same as her YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, please go and show some love. Go and check out her videos. She makes some beautiful projects over on her channel. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate every comment, like, and everyone that's subscribed to my channel. And I will catch you in my next video guys. Take care, have an awesome week. Bye.